Right, this morning, Samantha's pointed out that when we move into this motorhome, she wants more and more space. So, under the sink.
Well, normally the bin goes in here, so it's out the way.
Here. Yep.
Because that's fine when we're on holiday. But I'm going to need to put my kitchen stuff, so I want to see if John can put a shelf here. So there's a bit of there.
So sort of split it half and half.
Yeah, and then a shelf
height-wise.
like here.
Yep.
So I've got, otherwise you're going to have to stack, and I don't really want to stack everything. I want to be able to...
Right, I'll see what I can do. We've got some MDF, haven't we? So
yeah.
We'll see what we can make up.
See if you can...
So we found this piece of MDF. This did have a Christmas train track layout on it, and then the Christmas tree stood on it. So rather than throw that away, I'm going to see if we can just get a sander on that and bring it back to good wood again. Right, let's have a go at that. There we go. One piece of MDF sanded up. A little frame around here. A little strengthening frame all round. We'll take that to the motorhome now. Check it out. There we go, and that's just held in there by friction at the moment. So it'll go in there, something like that, and we'll put some support rails down that side, support rail around the back, and a little support here on that corner. There's the first shelf made. You okay with that, Samantha?
Yes, very good.
It's all right, isn't it?
2 more to do.
Yeah, that's good. Samantha's now telling me we need a shelf in this cupboard. So this is the one next to the fridge. So why do we need a shelf in here, Sam?
Well, the slow cooker, the wok, and some of the saucepans from the house, because I'm going to need bigger saucepans than what I've got already in here, and other odds and sods out the kitchen.
Okay, you need a shelf. Let's get your shelf. Let's get some measurements done. Let's get it done. There you go. And there's a shelf in there. Needs a strip of something on the edge just to tidy it up. There we go. Samantha has her shelf. Happy with that, Sam?
Very happy. I'm just don't know where I'm going to put everything though.